Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to turn on whispers on Twitch. First, open your Twitch app. Here, go to the account that you want to turn the whispers on. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Here, go to Creator Dashboard. Now if you look at the top right corner, you will see three options. Tap on the middle one and then tap on Start a Whisper. Here, type in the account, and then from here you can simply click on Got It, and your whispers will be on with this person. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.